Hello student, in previous video we have seen about the physical property of covalent bond. In that 2 points that covalent compound possesses the low melting and the boiling point, and the secondary that they are poor conductor of electricity. Later on we have seen about the versatile nature of the carbon, and in that we study about the two properties of carbon that make it versatile. And the first property it is of catenation, and the second one it's a tetravalency. Catenation means a carbon can link with the carbon atoms by means of covalent bonds to form a long chain, branch chain, close ring compound. And the carbon can also link by the single, double and triple bond. Then later on we have seen about the another property of the carbon. It's a tetravalency, and the carbon has a four valence electron. Carbon can bond with the four carbon atoms, monovalent atom, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Now, then after we have seen about the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means a compound which is made up of a hydrogen and the carbon are called the hydrocarbon. And they are two types of hydrocarbon: saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. First of all, we have seen about the saturated hydrocarbon. The saturated hydrocarbon means a hydrocarbon who possesses a single bond between the carbon atom, that we consider as a saturated hydrocarbon. And it is also known as alkanes. Alkanes means ANES, and alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons, and its formula, general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where the N is stand for the number of carbon atom. If you want to make the formula of alkanes, then you have to keep it in mind. In this formula, it's a CnH2n plus 2, whereas the N it's a stand for the number of carbon atoms. Suppose here the 2 number of carbon atom is 2, then the hydrogen atom is a 6, so the formula is become C2H6. Now the another type of hydrocarbon, it's unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means hydrocarbons in that the between the carbon atom the double bond or triple bond is there. So that kind of hydrocarbon compound we consider as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. A double or triple bond between the carbon atom, then it considered as an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here you can see, and the alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbon. As I told you in previous video as well, that here the alkanes pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different. Here you can see ALKANES. Here the ANES, it's a stand for the saturated hydrocarbon, means it is used for the single bond carbon, whereas ALKENES, here ENES means the carbon atom in that the double bond is there. ENES is stand for the double bond, means it comes under to the unsaturated hydrocarbon. If the triple bond is there, then YNES are used. It is also pronounced as alkanes, but for if the YNES there, the three it consider as the triple bond between the carbon atom, and it also known as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here you can see, if the normal single cell is a single bond is there between the carbon, then it is known as a saturated hydrocarbon. And the spelling of alkanes, it's ALKANES. ANES stand for the single bond between the carbon atom, means the saturated hydrocarbon. And the general formula for the alkanes is the CnH2n plus 2. The another types of hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbons. And unsaturated hydrocarbons means a hydrocarbons in that between the carbon to carbon atom either the double bond is there or triple bond is there, then it is considered as an unsaturated hydrocarbon. And the unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkenes and the alkynes. Here the only the difference in the spelling, alkenes means the ENES and alkenes means the YNES. Whereas the ENES it's a stand for the double bond and the YNES it's a stand for the triple bond. So the alkenes and the alkenes are the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Here you can see the alkenes ENES is there. So between the two carbon atom there is double bond. If the double bond is there, then the alkenes use means the ENES, and it is also known as the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now the general formula for the alkenes means the ENES. It's a CnH2n, where the N is stand for the number of carbon atoms. Suppose the number of carbon atom in alkene is 2, then the formula is become C2H4. C2H4. So it indicates that it is a alkenes and between the two carbon atom there is a double bond is present. That's why it is known as the alkenes ENES. And the double and triple bond is there, then we also consider it as a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now the next type of alkane is a unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkenes, whereas the spelling is YNES, YNES, alkenes, YNES. This YNES stand for the triple bond between the two carbon atom, and it is also unsaturated hydrocarbon. And the general formula for the alkanes is CnH2n minus 2. Suppose here C is equal to 2, then C2H4 minus 2 means a 2, means a C2H2. It's a formula of alkenes, means the YNES, that stand that between the two carbon atom there is a triple bond, means it is called the alkenes, and it is also comes under to the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Let's revise one more time because it's the most important topic, because from this formula you have to make the all the formula of the alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes. Why? Now as we see that the hydrocarbon means the compound which is made up of the hydrogen and the carbon, it's called the hydrocarbon. And there are two types of hydrocarbon, saturated and the unsaturated hydrocarbon. The first one, it's a saturated hydrocarbon. If the single bond between the carbon atom is present, then it is called the saturated hydrocarbon. Here you can see the single bond is there between the two carbon atom, and it is denoted by the it is write down by the alkenes, ANES. It means that is a saturated hydrocarbon. And the general formula for the alkenes, it's a CnH2n plus 2, whereas the N is stand for the number of carbon atom. So according to that you have to prepare the formula of alkanes, alkanes and alkanes. The next type of the hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means the double or a triple bond between the carbon atom. If if the double bond or a triple bond is present between the carbon atom, then we consider it as an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So the alkenes ENES and the alkenes means the YNES. Both are the unsaturated hydrocarbon, whereas ENES means the alkenes stand for the double bond and the YNES is stand for the triple bond. So the alkenes ENES is there. So you can see here the between the two carbon atom double bond is there. And for the alkenes general formula is CnH2n. Kindly remember this formula of all three hydrocarbon. It's important. According to that you have to prepare a formula. That's why. So the CnH2n It's a formula of alkenes ENE for the double bond carbon. If the carbon number of carbon is 2, so the formula is become a C2H4. The next type of unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkenes ALKYENES. So the here you can see the triple bond is there. And for alkenes general formula is CnH2n minus 2, where the N is stand for the number of carbon atoms. Suppose two number of carbon atom in formula is 2, then C2H2. How it become? If the N is 2, keep the value N as a 2. So C2H 2 into 2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So the formula is become a C2H2. Now the next topic, it's electron dot structure of saturated hydrocarbon. As we discussed previous that the saturated hydrocarbons, that means a single bond between the carbon. So here you can see in this formula there is a single bond between the carbon atom. So it is comes under to the saturated hydrocarbon. So the first one that we will study about the ethane. Here the ANE. So alkane means single bond between the carbon atom. So here if the one carbon is there, then it is stand for the methane. Two is there, then the ethane. That we will study later. So here the C2H6, it stand for the ethane. Why ethane? Because here the two carbon atom is there. If the one is there, then it is called the methane. If the two carbon is there, then it is called the ethane. So as we see that the formula of alkanes for the single bond, it's a C2H. Here you can see for this single bond alkanes formula is CnH2n plus 2. So according to that, here you can see the formula of ethane is C2H6. So let's see the electron dot structure of in ethane. Here, as we know that the hydrogen possesses the one electron in their outermost orbit, and the carbon is possess the 4 electron in their outermost orbit. So out of 4, the carbon share one electron. It's denoted by the cross. You can see this carbon atom is donate the one electron to the hydrogen over here, one electron given over here, and one here. The 4 is there. Same like the hydrogen, it's denoted by the dot. This one hydrogen donate the one electron. This one hydrogen also donate the one electron. This hydrogen is also donate the one electron. Here the another carbon atom is there. It also possesses a 4 electron in their outermost orbit. So it donate one electron over here, one here, one here, or one here. 4 completed. And same like this side, hydrogen, it's denoted by the dot. So the hydrogen also donate the one electron. And for the satisfied the noble gas configuration, hydrogen require 2 electron, and the carbon is require 8 electrons. So here you can see the carbon 2 2 2 2, 8 is completed. Same over here, this carbon 2 2 2 2 satisfied, and hydrogen, all hydrogen possess a 2 2 electron. So how this electron dot structure in a saturated hydrocarbon means in a ethane. And if we want to draw as a bond form, then here you can see total 4 valency is there, carbon 1 2 3 4. Each bond is made up by the 2 electron. So the carbon 1 electron donate to the hydrogen. Here you can see the 4 electron and one that come from the hydrogen. Same like over here, one electron is denoted by donated by this carbon, and one electron is donated by this carbon. So one bond is formed, and rest of the 3 given to the one hydrogen over here, one here, and one here. And same one hydrogen given one their electron, these 3 of them. So how this structure is formed. Here you can see in this structure, you can see that the single bond is there. That's why it is known as a saturated hydrocarbon. Between the carbon, if there is a single bond, then that kind of hydrocarbon we consider as a saturated hydrocarbon. And names for the molecule formula and the structural formula of a saturated hydrocarbon is alkanes, ANES, that we already discussed in previous video. Thank you.